Hello viewers, biofarming is emerging technology in recent decades for the alternative method to synthesis of antibiotics, antibodies, antigen and therapeutic drugs. This video will introduce about what is biofarming. The term farming in information technology refers redirecting a website's traffic to another website. We utilize this meaning in biology. Farming refers programming of microbes, animals, plants, or any other organisms to produce a desirable enzymes or chemicals and pharmaceuticals. The term biofarming is defined as the development of genetically engineered organisms and multiply them to produce pharmaceutical and industrially important substances. For biofarming, plants, microbes, animals, and insects also utilized. These compounds are consumed directly if those produced in edible plants. Alternatively, we harvest the biomass, then we purify, concentrate, and use it for therapeutic or industrial enzymatic purposes. Biofarming widely demonstrated in plant species, either cultivable crops or non-cultivable plants. This terminology referred by different terms: molecular farming, plant-made pharmaceuticals, biomanufacturing, biopharmaceuticals, plant-derived product of interest, and plants with novel traits. So when we deal with biofarming, another similar term is called as bioprospecting, also known as biodiversity prospecting. Now we will see the difference between biofarming and bioprospecting. The term biofarming generally referred for the genetically modified organisms to express a desirable compound, whereas bioprospecting refers identify the naturally existing organisms such as plants containing some therapeutically important properties and harvest those biomass and purify and concentrate therapeutic drugs. Anti-malarial components identified in the plant cinchonas, the biomass are harvested and the drug material is purified from that one. The disadvantage of bioprospecting is excessively harvest and utilize the natural resources. So one day the plants may be endangered. So this will affect the biodiversity of the local ecosystem. And another term associated with bioprospecting is biopiracy. It means naturally existing species identified, harvested from a locality and utilized for commercial purpose without any compensation given to the local communities in that area. So to overcome these things, we go for biofarming. We can make the plants to produce certain proteins or enzymes that is not naturally produced by the plants. Good example is we can make the plants to produce human insulins, human interferons and growth hormones for several therapeutic applications. In conclusion, biofarming means engineer the plants to produce product of interest, and this will boom the farming sector if the farmers grow this kind of plants, and this produce have lot of medical and health benefits. So we can produce large amount of therapeutic important drugs and components, and it has great potential for reducing the cost of production of enzymes and drugs. We can produce large scale levels of antigens and antibodies from the plants, and we can store it for long time in room temperature so that we can minimize the cost of storage of protein components. Thank you for watching this video.